It says we're live, but I don't know. It ain't,
Yep, we got viewers.
but I don't know. Like I said, normally they'll, let me get out here with a pick up real good. Now here, y'all hold it. I think we're good to go now. So that.
No, I can't do that.
Come on, son. So we got here in Memphis Team, we put a time down.
What? The adventures on Vista River Lane.
And a time chain.
All right, we got the timing chain in this rig. We got her back together. Now we're gonna see if it'll run.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
All right, ignition.
He said, "Hold on a minute. Don't burn me up."
Video it.
All right.
Guys, just give us a second. We're working him too hard. Think this old heifer will run?
So y'all got everything ready? Everything
Man,
going?
hey, I believe
Make
it's
sure your
on.
water pump working. Water
It's
pump
on.
working?
It's on. It's on.
Fan work?
It's on.
Fuel pump?
Go ahead.
Oh, no fuel pump. Hold on.
There you go. You hit the wrong switch.
All right, my bad. Y'all ready?
You ready? Go ahead.
Go. Get that. Come on.
Sounds good. Sound like we're doing good.
Y'all playing. That thing's out of time.
We're playing, man.
I ain't playing. I'm being serious. Come and look. It's on. It's on. Look.
I think you're playing.
No, I ain't playing.
I think you're playing.
No, I'm telling you. Timing chain company's fault? What was the problem? If I had to say, JJ the boss,
Let's hear it.
company I am,
Let's hear it.
I would say it's probably Precious Cooper on the rail limiter at 8,000 in the burnout when she's driving it. And then Ryan Britt gets his turn. He paints it silver. Then he drives it. Then he's on the burnout. You know what I'm saying? You know, probably got 150, 200 passes worth of burnouts.
Hey, we took this old motor out of a bracket car that probably had 250 passes on it. And we put nitrous on it and been abusing the fire out of it. And you can't keep Precious off rev limiter.
No, Precious loves burnout.
She said that's her favorite part of the run, doing the burnout. And we can tell.
Well, let's check this and make sure it's right. Lift it up and look at it.
You gonna ride it up?
No.
I'm scared.
No, hold on a minute.
Make sure the crank first.
Next weekend, small tire. It's gonna be a good one.
Depends on who wins.
I don't think it'll fall for us. It's gonna be a good race.
Screwdriver messed up.
Now you can't put this in daily drivers.
Why can't I?
It's
If
not-
I put a 15-inch hard tire, what did he say? This one go, what did he tell me?
That's right. Hey, no.
Hard tire.
It ain't got stock interior.
What do you mean, stock to what? Stock
You
to
heard what I
vehicle?
said, OEM.
When we bought this vehicle, that's what the interior was on.
I can't help it.
Huh?
There was babies made in this car.
Don't you agree?
But
At
it
the finish.
ain't daily driver.
If I drive it daily and it's got the tire you say, how can you tell me it ain't daily
We're gonna
drive?
argue in front of everybody.
She drives a Ford, Miss Sandra does.
That's why she put it in there as long as it fits the rules.
People drive things different. I got a
I
97
got
Vortec
that.
van.
And that's fine.
He got a truck with lights all on top.
What if we take that forward interior and put it in here?
Right, would that be considered
It-
stock?
Yeah, you put the OEM Ford interior in
What
here.
do you OEM? What they got to do with
Factory seats, factory interior,
Man, you
factory
can't get no
dash.
factory. This thing made in 67.
Hey, just take this motor and everything and put it in the Taurus.
Now that would be legal. That'd be a factory body,
But
factory
that
interior.
factory motor.
I don't care about the motor. I don't care you make 2,000 horsepower. If you got factory body, factory interior, exhaust to the rear end,
We can get exhaust the rear. We got fuck that.
17 and larger drag radius. If you're on 15, be on a tread wear. And you can't be two-stepping and turboing and trans braking online. This ain't driving.
Dancing.
Man,
He said you were dancing.
That's why I got a bounty on him, y'all, because he got the rules. If you beat him in his daily driver, you got $300. You can't let him make the rules and then beat him. I'm telling y'all.
Hey, they're good rules.
What declares stock interior? Tell me what you think stock.
Well,
Because me and him stock us.
This right here.
that's stock
Look
to
right
me.
here. No. Right here. See,
That's
it's so far.
Dodge.
I don't
That's
care.
Dodge.
I don't care. That's OEM interior.
What do you think the difference is?
This is this interior. Come here and look at that. Bring the camera over here.
They both got seats, right?
This is OEM interior. This is original equipment. What came in this car?
That
This
didn't come
body.
in. This was a race car, and we put it back on the street.
I don't care. Whoever did it put OEM interior back in it. I don't care if it's raced or not. This is OEM metal body.
That's a metal body.
It's part of it.
Say what you
What
want.
about the rest of the body?
That's coming right over
Hey,
here.
huh?
Hold on, come on, right over here. Come right over here, son. Say what you want.
Hey.
Is that metal?
Hey, what about these?
You in college? Is that metal?
Hey, what about these? What about these?
Who put them on
What
there?
the- I don't hang on me.
I loaned it to him. He put carbon fiber doors on my car. So if I put metal doors on, I'm good for the daily driver.
No.
Say that again one more time. What the rule is? Cause I feel like you got some read. Somebody gonna.
It's for daily driver cars.
If I drive this,
Now,
if I drive this to Savannah, me and Scotty Gideon, we drive to Savannah.
I tell you what you do. If this thing has all original body,
It does. You agree with that?
no, it does not.
What's not
It's got
original?
carbon fiber doors and Lexan windows. It is not original body. If it has,
Like glass to me.
if it has, that's my plexiglass. If it has
You say glass. It don't matter. That's
original
glass.
equipment, real daily.
Look, I'll drive it to work every day next week, and it'll be a daily driver.
Daily driver, you agree?
It is. If you will drive it every day, but it don't fit the daily driver rules. I'm sorry, sir. You
So
cannot
you
bring.
telling us, so they can't have no cam in?
Yeah, you can have 2,000 horsepower.
I think you need a new rule maker. Get a new rule maker. We don't like him.
Hold on now.
Hey,
I thought Miss Pam, you and her got the market corner.
full original body.
Full, we got that.
No, you don't.
Why?
Full original interior.
Why is it gotta be a? So you telling me if I go out there in one of y'all's cars, if y'all got some kind of seat cover, it ain't original? You agree? If you got some kind of cherry seat covers on there, it ain't original. You agree?
I don't care if you got a seat cover over your original seat.
So if I put
But you
some
can't
cherry-
take the interior out and put Kirky aluminum lightweight racing seats in your daily driver.
What we gotta put in here for to so we can make it?
Original equipment. We go out there and look at that little Nova back there.
That ain't fast enough.
Well, that's what I thought.
But that ain't fast.
That's what I thought.
We got work on that.
But you put this, I tell you what you do. Put this old bad boy on 17-inch drag radius. Come show us how it's done. Come on now.
I'm done.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm nervous.
Thank you.
I'm nervous.
What about Chelsea? What about your car? Come here. Brad
Chelsea
Pitt
got
trying to
one.
say-
Chelsea got one for it.
She says he said your car, your white car don't fit the daily driver.
Sure it does.
Yes, it does.
Sure it does.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, her white car does fit it.
But
This car does not, though.
my
I
other
agree with
one.
that.
Your other white car does.
Okay.
Sure it does.
So it's got a roll cage in it. Her white car got a
I
roll
don't
cage.
care. You can have a roll cage.
So we
But
can
her
put
white
one
car,
in
the
it?
reason her white car
Or
can
the
be
other
in
white
is because her white car has original body.
That 70-mile Camaro.
That's
she raised on
70
the girl
miles
show.
split.
Cause she gonna have it there.
That's fine. It's got original body. It's got original interior. It has exhaust to the rear end. And it's going to be on a tread wear tire on that 15-inch rim, or she's going to put 17s on it and have drag radius.
It won't fit but a 28.
I don't care. I don't care.
DOT or whatever.
You can be, if you run a 15-inch rim, you can be on a tread wear, or if you want to be on one of them fancy drag racing tires, you got to go to a 17 or larger. So go and put you some 17s on.
I don't even know what that stuff is.
Well, we do.
And we wonder why she
We'll
drinks
tell you
like she
right what
races.
to get. and we don't care.
What stops her green? What's so much difference in her green car and her white car? If your white car is legal, then your green one should be too.
No, because her
But
green
even
car,
with 17 is
her green car's like this car.
car.
Her green car's like this car.
I think he don't like green cars.
But my white car has just as much of a cage as that green one.
It ain't about the
And you
cage.
got roll up windows.
It ain't about the cage. It's about all the fiberglass front caps. It's
But
about
I got
the fiberglass.
interior.
I don't care. It's about all the rest of the stuff. You ain't got
The whole
interior.
fucking car fiberglass.
I know.
I got a picture of my wife in my pocket.
That's what I'm talking about. That's why your white car fits it, but your green car.
$150 bounty. Anybody got no brown bread on daily drive? $150 bounty. If you let him make the rules and you bring a daily driver and you beat him, you got a $150 bounty.
There it is.
I'm gonna pay the 50. Scott's gonna pay the 100.
There it is.
Done deal.
Easy.
We gonna get you.
Then come on, get
Hey,
it.
hey, can I borrow $100?
You could tell you lied.
Look.
Uh-oh. Chelsea said we need to be ashamed, y'all. You gotta check her out. Let's see.
Done. What you done? You got a bugger in now.
Hey, boy.
See?
All right, y'all. We're gonna jump off here. One thing about it, he might have some bootleg rules. You're gonna have a good time for sure. Cause we're gonna be heavy 50. It's all steel. Heavy, all steel.
That's original ball.
You agree?
Put it on 17. Come on.
So if I put heavy on 17s,
And put original interior.
will you drive heavy?
Sure.
You got insurance? All right, we're gonna jump off here, y'all. We got the timing chain fixed. All right.